Hi my love, today is a special video that I wanted to make for anyone that is struggling right now or is doubting themselves for past failures or mistakes they made. You are not your mistakes, and I want you to know that every single thing is possible. Maybe school made you believe that you are not intelligent enough, or maybe your grades made you question your worth. Maybe you started believing that failure defined you, but your past does not define your future. Your mistakes do not define your intelligence, and no grade could ever measure your true potential, my love. You are absolutely allowed to start again, to become successful, to become brilliant. So I want it to be a reminder that it's never too late for you. You can still achieve your dream life, your dream studies, your dream career. I want you to take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your mind and allow these affirmations to reprogram your subconscious and conscious mind for academic success, confidence, healing, and growth. Let's begin. I release all shame connected to my past grades. I forgive myself for every academic mistake I made. I am healing from academic trauma. My past failures no longer define me. I let go of the belief that I am not smart. I deserve a new beginning. I no longer compare myself to others. I am safe to learn and grow. I am more than my academic past. I release all fear of failure. I am intelligent. I am capable of success. I am becoming the best version of myself. I trust my mind. I learn quickly and easily. My intelligence grows every single day. I am focused and motivated. I believe in my abilities. I am disciplined and consistent. I deserve academic success. Failure was never the end of my story. Every setback helped me grow stronger. I can succeed no matter my past. I am capable of excellence. I am creating a successful future for myself. My efforts always pay off. I am proud of my progress. I am becoming academically successful. I can achieve everything I dream of. Success is becoming natural to me. I am not my past grades. It is not too late for me. I can still become successful. I can still become brilliant because in fact I already am. I believe in myself now. My future is bright. I deserve the life of my dreams. I am worthy of success. I am stepping into my highest potential. I am aligned with my dream career. Opportunities come to me effortlessly. I attract success and abundance. My future is full of opportunities. I am building the life I deserve. Everything is working out for me. I am becoming successful in my own way. I trust the timing of my life. I am meant to succeed. Amazing things are waiting for me. That is all, my love. I hope this video is really gonna help you to realize that your worth is not based on your studies, nor your grades, nor how good you're doing at school. Before anything, you are human. We are all living a life for the first time. You did what you could with what you had. You do not need to suffer more than you already did. Please stop thinking about your past. Stop comparing yourself to others. You are living your own life and you deserve happiness. You deserve to heal. You deserve to believe in yourself. I really do believe in you. I really do believe that you are a successful student and that you're gonna achieve all your goals and all your biggest dreams. Thank you so much for being here, and if you like this kind of content, If you want to grow together, feel free to subscribe. I will be posting consistently on this channel because I really want to be here for you guys, and I love making these videos for you as it's helping me myself. Sending you lots of love and see you in another video very soon.